How to send photos and videos on WhatsApp. Have you taken a nice photo or recorded a video and want to share it on WhatsApp? In this video I will explain step by step how to send photos and videos in a chat. First, open WhatsApp by tapping the green icon with the white handset to open the app. The main screen will open where you will see all recent chats. If you have already chatted with someone, tap on their name to open the conversation. Alternatively, tap on the message icon in the bottom right on Android, or in the top right on iPhone. Then select the contact you want to write to from the address book. Once inside the chat, tap the paperclip icon in the bottom right. Click on Gallery. Select the photo or video you want to send. If you want, you can edit the image, writing a matching message, adding an emoji or drawing on it. By selecting camera instead, you can take a photo or video at the moment and send it immediately.